Hello students, welcome to the class of social studies. Children, today I am going to begin a new lesson. Lesson 15, Knowing Our Earth. The topics which we will discuss today are: number 1, globes and maps; number 2, directions; and number 3, compass and grid. Children, open your book, page number 131. First of all, I am going to read from the book and then explain. Globes and maps. Do you know how the earth looks from space? This beautiful picture is of our earth. Children, when you look at the picture of earth, you will see that it looks very beautiful. Such pictures of the earth are taken from the space satellites or by astronauts. Astronauts are people who are trained to go in spacecrafts. When you look at the picture of the earth, you will see that the land can be seen in green color and water in blue color. Earth appears similar to a huge ball when you see from the space. No life-size model can be made of the earth because it is too large, but we can recreate a smaller form of the earth, and such a model is called a globe. We can recreate a smaller model of the earth. This is the globe. It represents the smaller size of the earth. Now let us understand what is a globe. A globe is a hollow ball which is fixed to a stand. It is tilted to one side and it spins just like earth. It spins freely when you turn it. So in this way, the globe is the perfect model of the earth. Children, on globe we can see different countries, seas, mountains, etc. It shows the shape of all the land masses of the earth. A globe has many advantages. Let us study about the advantages. It shows the major features of the earth. Second, it shows the shape of the continents and their distance from each other. It shows how the earth rotates on its axis. However, a globe cannot be used all the time. A globe cannot be used all the time because of some reasons. These reasons are: it is bulky in nature and it is difficult to carry to different places. It is difficult to carry from one place to another. If we want to study a small part of the earth in detail, we cannot do that on globe. The globe may only give a broad view of the earth. The globe only gives a broad view of the earth. Now we are going to study about maps. A map is a drawing of the earth as a whole or part of it. We can represent the same landmass on a flat surface. Unlike a globe, map is a flat drawing. A map which shows complete earth is called the world map. A world map shows the earth's surface, its landforms and all water bodies. The world map shows all the land masses of the earth and all the water bodies such as oceans, seas, rivers, which are present on the earth. We also have maps showing some parts of the earth in detail. These maps can be of some countries or continents. There are some special maps also which shows rainfall, season, or vegetation, etc. These maps show rainfall, vegetation, or population of a certain place. Now let us learn why maps are more useful than a globe. First of all, map is easy to carry. It can be folded and carried easily. A map helps in studying different portions of the earth in detail. If you want to study a particular country, if you want to study about, say, India, we have to open the map of India and we can see everything on it. A map helps in locating places. A map helps us to locate places. Now children, let us learn about directions. A direction is a course or path along which someone or something moves. You must have noticed that the sun rises from a particular place in the morning. Then it seems that it moves across the day, during the day, and by evening it sets in the opposite place. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. The time when it rises is called dawn or sunrise, and the time when it sets is called dusk or sunset. There are four main directions: north, south, east and west. If you stand facing the sun in the morning, then you are facing the east. If you are, then your left is the north, your left is the north, east, then your left is the north, your right is the south and your back is the west. Now children, let us learn about how to find directions. There are some tools which help us to find directions. In the olden times, navigators and sailors used to find direction with the help of position of the sun, the stars and the movement of the wind. During daytime they could see the sun, and during night time they used to see the stars to find the direction. Children, compass is an instrument which was invented to find directions. All the four directions are marked on the compass: east, west, north, south, and there is a needle which can move freely at the center. When the compass is kept on a flat surface, the needle first swings from side to side and afterwards it comes to rest. The needle always points towards the north. The magnetic compass was first invented during the time of the Chinese Han Dynasty, about 206 BCE, and was later adopted for navigation by the Song Dynasty during the 11th century. Now children, let us learn about the grid. If you refer to a map, you will see horizontal and vertical lines on it. These are the horizontal lines and these are the vertical lines. Now we will understand how grids are used for locating places, things by studying the map. Children, I have marked the columns with A, B, C, and the rows I have marked as 1, first row, second row, third row and fourth row. If you want to locate a place, for example here I have marked with red. If you want to locate this place, how are you going to look at the grid? You have to see which column it is. Here it is in the B column and the second row. So B column and the second row. In this way we are able to locate this place. Children, so I hope you have understood how compass is used to find direction, and you have studied about globes, maps, directions. Children, with this I come to the end of this lesson. I hope you all have understood. Revise the lesson well. That's all for today. Thank you.